Once upon a time, in the vast savannah of Africa, lived a little wildebeest named Wilbur. Wilbur was not like the others. He was small and timid, always hiding behind the tall grass. One day, Wilbur's mother told him, "Wilbur, it's time for our great migration to the green grasslands." Wilbur was scared, but he decided to join. The journey began under the hot African sun. Wilbur followed the herd, his small heart pounding with fear. He met many friends along the way, each one sharing stories of the green lands. One friend, a zebra named Ziggy, taught Wilbur how to cross the crocodile-infested river safely. Wilbur learned to trust his new friends and his own strength. Another friend, a gazelle named Gina, showed Wilbur how to find water in the dry lands. Together, they discovered a hidden oasis, quenching their thirst and the thirst of many others. As they journeyed, Wilbur grew stronger and braver. He learned that even the smallest wildebeest could make a difference. He helped the weaker ones cross the river and found water for the thirsty. Finally, after a long and difficult journey, they reached the green grasslands. Wilbur looked around, his eyes wide with amazement. The green land was more beautiful than he had ever imagined. Wilbur realized that he had not only survived the journey but had also helped others. He felt proud of himself and grateful for his new friends. From that day forward, Wilbur was no longer the timid little wildebeest. He was a brave explorer, ready for any adventure that came his way. So, whenever you face a challenge, remember Wilbur. You too can be brave and help others. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with green grasslands and new adventures.